Nokia N81 assembly hints. You will need the Nokia Standard Toolkit version 2 as well as the camera removal tool SS88. Note the correct polarity of the IHF speakers. Do not bend the spring contacts of the audio connector. Check the correct positioning of the antenna and vibromotor before going on. Mind the alignment tab of the camera module. Place the microphone cover. Insert the engine module, beginning from the bottom. Do not squeeze the cable of the vibromotor. Check the functionality of the switch before going on. Close the connector of the vibromotor. Check the correct positioning of the earpiece. Close the large and the small flex connector. Take these new screws. Set the correct torque. Tighten the screws in the order shown. Place the LCD correctly. Insert these countersunk screws. Set the correct torque. Tighten both screws in the order shown. Take these new screws. Set the correct torque. Tighten the screws in the order shown. Remove the protective film from the window. Insert the window, beginning from the top. Push down the window, at least 5 seconds each 2 centimeters, beginning from the top in order to activate the adhesive coating. Use these 2 new screws. Set the correct torque. Tighten the 2 screws. Insert the menu K-mate. Click all snaps into their places. Now insert the ITU K-mate. Slightly click all the snaps into their places.